chieftain of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Bode George, has urged President Bola Tinubu to reduce the pump price of petrol to 300 naira per litre. George said Tinubu should reduce the pump price of fuel from the middle of December to the end of January. The former deputy national chairman of the PDP said this will enable Nigerians to celebrate the festive season. Addressing a press conference in Lagos on Wednesday, George said it is time for Tinubu to give back to Nigerians. According to George, there are 2 months in any calendar year that are very important months. Whether you are a Christian, a Muslim, an atheist, or a traditionalist, it is common and it is all over the world. The months of December and January are the most important months. From the middle of December, at least to the end of January, the cost of petrol should be reduced to 300 naira per litre. The government can absorb the losses. The PDP chieftain noted that such measures would make Nigerians happy this season. George said if the First Lady, Oluremi Tinubu, could donate 1 billion naira to a university, she could contribute to bear the cost. He added, "With this, you'll be sending a lot of messages of happiness across the tribes and homes. Everybody in Nigeria will be happy because it will positively impact this period of the year." This comes amid remarks by Nigeria's petroleum marketers that the price of fuel may reduce to either 900 naira or 1000 naira per litre during this festive season. George also expressed disappointment in the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, Mahmood Yakub. He criticized Yakub for discussing lessons from Ghana's presidential election, saying, "I am so ashamed of INEC chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakub. It was good before, but now his performance is a bad joke." In the same vein, George predicted that Nigerians will not re-elect President Bola Tinubu in 2027, citing widespread dissatisfaction with his administration. He insisted that there would be a vacancy in the presidency by 2027, as the people are discontented. "The anger and hunger are almost equal on the streets of Nigeria," he lamented, describing the ruling APC as a congregation of strange bedfellows. Commenting on the PDP's internal crisis, George blamed the party's struggles on individuals prioritizing personal ambitions over collective interest. He specifically criticized the former PDP national chairman, Iyorchia Ayu, for his poor management of party affairs. Despite these challenges, George expressed optimism that the PDP would resolve its issues before the 2027 elections and reiterated his support for the principle of power rotation between the North and South. He stated, "I call our party the Iroko because it didn't emerge from nowhere. It is entrenched in our constitution. Section 7 subsection 3C of the PDP constitution mandates zoning and rotation of party positions and elective offices." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.